What's up, people? So I've spoken about Haxe and why I like Haxe. I've spoken a bit about HaxeFlixel, but not really why I personally like using it. So that is what this video is going to address. I'm going to give you 5 reasons as to why I enjoy using the popular Haxe game engine. Number 1, you can port games, you can make games on any platform with one code base. So PC, Mac, console, Android, iOS, web, one code base can export to many different platforms. You don't have to worry about doing extra things to it. It's usually, depending on the platform, one line of code, and then it will export to the right thing. Of course, console's a bit more involved, but in general, HaxeFlixel's got you covered. Number 2, it's free and open source, which is great. It means no matter how many copies of the game I sell, 10,000, 10 million, no money that I make goes to the engine creators. So I guess they survive on donations, which has its pros and cons, but yeah. Number 3, there is no graphical user interface. So no GUI means I can use my existing setup. Because I program as a day job, I have my specific VS Code set up. I've got my themes, I've got my shortcuts, I've got my plugins that I'm very used to. And in order for me to, I wouldn't like to switch. Number 4, it looks like JavaScript. I mentioned before that I am a programmer, primarily front-end, so I use JS all the time. I prefer TypeScript, which is great because Haxe is strongly typed, and so TypeScript, so they kind of work together. And moving from one language to the other is not difficult because they look very similar. Number 5, you can kind of make the game like you're developing a website, in the sense that, so the games that I make, I test in HTML5, so I test them in a browser. I use the Chrome browser and the Chrome DevTools, which is the same way I'd make a website. And so I tinker the game, save, refresh the browser in exactly the same way that I'd make a website, which is great for me. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.